Good day, my people. You all are welcome. I'm here to talk about those people from Anioma that are fighting Anioma state creation. Those people from Anioma that are not happy that Senator Ned is fighting for Anioma state creation. Those people from Ukwane, Eka, Enuane that are fighting Anioma state creation. I'm here to address one of them today. Look at this picture on your screen. This picture you are seeing here was written by an Okwane person. This Okwane person have been known for so long to be fighting Anioma state creation. These are the set of Okwane people that don't want Igbos to unite. They don't want Okwane people to be part of Southeast. The page you are seeing in this video is owned by an Okwane person that calls himself Okwane Trumpet. And he have always been against Igbo unification. He have always been against Anioma state being zoned to the southeast. He have always been against the creation of Anioma states. You know, just want to make Anioma state come into existence. Now let's address his stupidity. He wrote here, he said that forgery scandal rocks Anioma state creation by Senator Ned Nwoko as Delta North chairman speak out. Few hours after the conclusion of the public hearing on the creation of Anioma state by Senator Ned Nwoko in Akwa Ibom State, the Delta North local government chairman have distanced themselves from a document supporting the creation of Anioma state, alleging that their signatures and stamps were forged. The document, which have been circulating on social media and other platforms, claims to bear the signatures and stamps of the 9 local government council chairmen in Delta North senatorial districts. The reason why this person from Okwane wrote this thing is because he no want Anioma state. He don't want Anioma state to be a reality. These are the people who feel that Senator Ned is agitating for Anioma state just to become the governor of the state. These are the problems we are having in Anioma land, most especially in Okwane land. This set of Okwane people lack the ability to reason. Just look at the rubbish that a full-grown man wrote and posted online. Senator Ned Nwoko have done so well for Anioma people. Since the creation of Delta State, no senator representing Delta North have done what Senator Ned have done. None of them have ever agitated for Anioma State to become a reality. Senator Ned Nwoko is a man of dream. Just look at the massive love that Anioma people have for him. Our ancestors have been agitating for Anioma state for so long. Look at this newspaper here. Our ancestors said that they want to join Eastern region. Look at it here. This newspaper now, in the 1960s, they want to join Eastern region. They want to have their own state and be part of Eastern region. No be today it starts. A musician from Okwane, in person of late Prince Smart Williams, may he rest in power. He sang a song, and in that song, he said, Anindokwa bamama shindokwa. Anyokwa ne bamama ebe nebe ya dinabia o, ibe ya dinabia o, kado jindokwa. What he is singing in that song is that for Ukwane land to be good is the duty of we Ukwane people. For Ukwane land to be heaven and paradise, it's the duty of we Ukwane people. That song is just like Ukwane anthem and Indokwa Bamama everywhere. This set of senseless Ukwane people always sing that song. Why are they now fighting Anioma states that will benefit Ukwane people? In Delta State, Ukwane people are not benefiting anything. Nothing will they benefit. Ukwane have no lights for a very long time. 16 years, Ukwane not get lights. He gets some Ukwane communities where they say for more than 60 years, no lights. Just imagine, some Ukwane people not get sense. Enemy from within. These are the people we call Anioma logo from Ukwane land. Anioma logo, animal we don't know favor. Now be Anioma logo. Senator they fight for Ukwane people. Waiting the person and he should not zone us to the southeast. Also why? Make his zone and go south. What are we Ukwane people benefiting from south? Imagine being in south zone where we Anioma people are not loved. In Delta State, Ukwane people have been marginalized. Yes, we have been marginalized. Politics will not dey succeed. Nothing. Una problem na say Senator Ned wan zone Anioma to south. You know be say na him wan zone am. Na wetin our ancestors talk say they wan join Eastern region. And na Eastern region we truly belong because we are Igbo people. In the past, when we Anioma people, Delta State, Edo State, were part of Western region, Delta State and Edo State people were crying that they are being marginalized by Yoruba people, that they want to have their own state. A state was created for them, known as Midwestern region. A time came, Delta people said that Benin people were marginalizing them, that they want to stay on their own. Say Benin people, they marginalize them. They can't share the state again. We now have Delta states and Edo State separately. Now, in this same Delta state, Anioma people are crying of marginalization, that they are being marginalized. The marginalization not start today. Now, we won't come up for the Delta state to have our own state. Some Anioma logo from Okwane start to fight them. Animals. That one a point. What is the point there? Say they want zone us Anioma people to southeast. Are we not southeasterners? We are not Igbo people. We are not Igbo people. During the genocide against the Igbos, do you know how many people that were murdered in Utawuna by Nigerian army? 5 well-known chiefs were massacred in Utawuna. Not only those chiefs, so many Utawuna people were massacred. And because of that, our ancestors during that genocide started saying that we are not Igbo people, that we are separate from them. They started claiming Benin origin and all that just to escape being killed in that genocide. No, be say we not be Igbo people. We are Igbo people. I don't know why this set of Ukwane people no one get sense. All those politicians that are supporting this senseless boy that calls himself Ukwane trumpet. Failed politicians. If the Anioma state still come, they go still they do election, they participate to occupy office. Why the mumu where they use go park one side? You don't have sense. This is why Fulani people are better than us. If now Fulani people they pursue any agenda, you will never see a Fulani person sabotaging it. Now only for South you go see them. This is why Fulani people have been ruling Nigeria for so long. Because they are not they get opposition within them. They know they get objection within them. All of them focus. Ukwane people go get agenda. Some Ukwane people go sabotage them. Ika go get some Ika go sabotage them. Anyone go get some anyone go sabotage them. Why we say our people for South, so many of them not get sense? These are the fruits we have in Ukwane. Senseless people. Anioma logo. Look at what another senseless Ukwane person wrote under the post of this Ukwane trumpet. He said that they will learn the hard way. It's time for Ukwane and Abo people to mark their boundaries properly so that Igbo Biafra people will stop looking for South region to grab territory. Enough is enough of all this madness of trying to annex Ukwane land by force. You see, so many of our Ukwane people now mumu, so they don't get sense. Who is trying to grab your land? They want to take our land. Which land? The Yoruba people have been selling all this propaganda for so long. Telling our people that Igbo people will grab their land. Imagine, Igbo will call they grab Igbo land. Have you ever seen a bunch of people complaining that Enugu people are grabbing their land? Have you ever seen Igbo people complain that Anambra people are grabbing their land? Have you ever seen anyone from Abia State complaining that Igbo people are grabbing their land? You will never hear such a thing. Why is this on social media we will hear all this rubbish? Now our fellow Ukwane people come online, they thought say South is one can grab a land or zwine then Zuneuche. Actually, Ukwane are developed. Nobody from Ukwane whether they hear name for federal level because of all these mindsets. When they go school, but when still be illiterate, you don't travel to see things for yourself. Just do Ukwane land, that just do Ukwane land, they run up and down like kuku kogene. Also everywhere. Just imagine say South is one can claim like which land? Go to Asaba today. There are so many people from the Southeast that built houses there. None of them have ever claimed that Asaba belongs to them. If you ask them who owns Asaba, they will tell you that Asaba belongs to Asaba people. They're not steal that land now, buy the land, build. Just as other people are doing all over the country. If you go on Anambra State, different Igbo groups, they there. Ask them which people get this Onitsha. They will tell you that Onitsha belongs to Onitsha people. No one is dragging your land. Go to Imo State. Our kind of people migrate from here, go there. Different Igbo people. Builders were there. Ask them which people get there. They will tell that this place belongs to Oguta people. Come to Kwale. So many of our brothers from the southeast built houses there. Go to Abo. Their builders were there. None of them is claiming that they own Abo. Abo belongs to Abo people. Ukwane belongs to Ukwane people. Kwale belongs to Kwale people. This set of Ukwane people make una dey get sense. They don't know the fee say na so they born una to be mumu. Make una dey reason. These are the enemies we have in Ukwane land. What have this set of Ukwane people done for Ukwane land? No development, no light, no good road. Nothing to show off. Now why you no go hear say that they hear Ukwane person name for federal level? Come to Enuane land. Crowd of great men. Okonjo-Iweala from Ogwashiuku. Tony Elumelu from Onichoko. Ibekachuku from Onichubo. Great men, power, see name, powerful people. That they hear their name worldwide. People like Senator Ned, that they hear their name worldwide. And many others. Come to Ika land. You go to hear names like Ifan Yokowa. Powerful people and many others. Come to Ukwane land. How many Ukwane people you they hear their name for federal level? None. They just did that their run circle. Because of why? They are not business minded. They are not get that time for development. All they know is for government to come give us short of money for crude oil. If the milk crude oil finish, they give us money to check give our youth. This is the reason why our youth are lazy. They don't get that hustling spirit because they work, they don't work. Government will give them 50,000. And some these people, Igbo people, all they do is business. They love money. Now because of say government they give una money, that's why they feel relaxed. Person when they pay house rent, they hustle. But person when they pay house rent, they feel relaxed. That's why many of our youth in Ukwane are lazy. Yes, that's why they're lazy. Bringing stupid arguments everywhere. Mona no guesses, Mona just the mumu, Anioma logo. Person they want to come out you from Delta State where they say other tribes in Delta State are not seeing we Ukwane people as part of them. They are not seeing Ukwane people as Delta State people. They believe that they own Delta State. They are telling us that they don't need us, that we should go on our own way. And now we want join Southeast where they say we get everything in common. Where they say that they will suppose this set of us white people from Ukwane, they thought say we should remain in South. Us white and then Zuzu. Another Ukwane person wrote under the comment section of this senseless Ukwane trumpet. Look at what he said. He said that I knew Ned Nwoko is doing all this for his personal ambition. Anioma State is never our problem. We have a lot of problems that needs to be attended to. Electricity, water supply, good road, infrastructure, and better health care services. Ned should rest. I personally don't support any Anioma State creation. We Ukwane people have a lot to lose. The Sopadeg, NDDC, and many others. The Aniomas have no single natural resources to sustain their state, aside the oil deposits in Ukwane. If I tell you, I say, some of our Ukwane people now mumu, no doubt. Look at the rubbish that is coming from the mouth of a youth or Colombian. Just look at the rubbish that he's saying. That Ukwane people don't need a state. Kweke. Nzuzu akari n'Ukwane, ndị bụ ndị nzuzu a wetara n'Ukwane. Kweke olo ni fojo. Nzuzu, just see the rubbish wey mumu dey talk. Say Ukwane people don't need a state. Make we just dey Delta State. Make only one senator they represent all of us. Do you know what it means by only one senator is representing Ika people, Enuane people, and Ukwane people? So this also I don't want us to have our own state so that we Ukwane people will not have our own senator. Kweke, Nzuzu. Any Ukwane people that is against Senator Ned Nwoko, that is against Anioma State being so to his artist, that Ukwane person knows why not get sense. These are the reason why Ukwane not they develop. Other regions they develop, they grow. Ukwane they go back because of these senseless people. Look at the rubbish that a youth is writing. Now why Nigeria not move forward? Because so many youths now mumu. Yes, so many youths now mumu. If I insult this people, they go talk why they insult them. This boy now mumu. Just look at the rubbish that this Ukwane boy is saying. Say that Ukwane people don't need a state. That what Ukwane people need is light, road, Development. How the development go take come if not be say we get Anioma State? Who go dey represent us for government if not be senator wey dey represent Ukwane people? Who go be our representative? Those representatives will come from Ukwane land. Just imagine many things wey be say they're supposed to represent us for government, but this was why I thought say we don't need all those things. Uzuzu Akane no Ukwane. Young ladies, before you marry, check wetin they marry, follow wetin they marry online. May you know as the person dey mumu. This kind of people cannot make good husbands because they be mumu naturally. Instead of going to the right place where you belong, you won't go meet enemy. This thing dey vex me. Say some of our Ukwane people na mumu. It dey vex me where. Anioma logo. See, they don't want to liberate you, come on you from suffering. You there they fight am. Online dogs, comment section dogs, all this they are rant to end in the comment section. You can't stop Anioma State. Since Ned Nwoko won't get Anioma State because of his personal ambition. And so what? All your politicians in Ukwane, they are there for their own political ambition, not for you Ukwane people. That's why Ukwane don't they develop. Ukwane politicians they kill una. Una self they kill una self. Ebi nelio when say that now Ukwane revenue through there where the Ukwane land. Now they go take the power Anioma State they actualize them. No be crude oil where the Ukwane land they say they power the whole Nigeria. Is it not the crude oil in the south, the crude oil in the southeast, the crude oil in Ukwane land in the entire Niger Delta? Our crude oil now they say they build the entire country. What are we Ukwane people benefiting from it? Nothing. Now only security our youth they do for that. Not gonna be our chairman for that. Not gonna be the chairman where they control those crude oil. Our people they protect them, they guide them. Ukwane land be like people will get crude oil. No development, nothing. They get crude oil, yes, they suffer. Now crude oil when they power Anioma, then they prepare you. There are also other mineral resources in other parts of Enuane land. Yes. The entire country they treat you bad, not be your problem. The entire country they collect your resources, that's not your problem. Your problem now Anioma State where they want to create. Your problem now Southeast. Your problem now NNDC. The so part where they say you know they benefit from. That be your problem. You want all those ones to stay. Make we Anioma people stay Delta State instead of being free to enjoy our resources, to enjoy our land. This boy na mumu. This one the boy sell us why it's a fool. This one the drop justice in page they grow. Some Ukwane people no one get sense. Majority of his followers welcome from Ukwane. Many of them not the reason fine. This is why Nigeria cannot move forward. This is why Africa cannot move forward. So many youths are fools. So many youths don't get sense. This is another person from Ukwane land. He said that nobody's against the creation of Anioma State, but the approach and the expression of the state creation under certain is what many people are against. If the senator mean he should follow the due process and first address the imbalance in the number of local governments. The old Asaba division has 6 local governments, while Ukwane has 3 local governments. With this number of local governments, we are already marginalized, and more marginalization with this number of local governments in the new state creation if successful. The senator must clean and prove that he's genuine, because these current moves has a lot of undertone and very suspicious with the level of desperation. Why won't we be desperate? We have to be desperate because this is the only chance that we have. It's not only Anioma State that people are agitating for in this country. Ijebu people are agitating for Ijebu State. So many people are agitating to have their own states. Go and check it online. Now, Senator Ned Nwoko be a problem. We have to be desperate. We have to do everything possible legally to make sure that we actualize Anioma State and make sure it's being sold to the Southeast. So each and every one of you, one person that is against Anioma State being sold to the Southeast, your backing only ends in the comment section. Now, comment section the end. You people should know that Senator Ned did not forge any document. Everything he's doing is through due process and in a legal means. So all of you that are carrying all this rumor, you are wasting your time. You can't stop what you are doing. Poor man children without the comment section, they talk rubbish. Another one person commented and said, listen, enemy of progress, they should go and sleep. Anioma State or nothing. A creation of new state will bring nearness to government, jobs and development. Let us all embrace it. This one, one person will get sense. These are the set of Ukwane people that I love to mingle with. Look at what he said. He wants to make an Anioma state. They closer to the government. Make Ukwane people, they closer to the government. He said that Ukwane people needs to be closer to the government. Ukwane people needs development. Say Anioma state go give Ukwane people everything we want. This person is very intelligent. Ukwane person, I be this person. I talk this thing so. So Ukwane land need development. We need to coexist with our brothers in the southeast. Delta states, they marginalize us. Federal government, they marginalize us. And us why from Ukwane, Nzuzu, and normal they talk say, we don't need any Anioma states. We don't want to join southeast. Senseless people. They talk say Senator Ned is there for his political ambition. If Senator Ned wants to be the governor of Anioma state, we will campaign for him. Now, why person they work in the chop? All those people saying he wants to be governor, make waiting happen. Make waiting happen. You want to make all this suffer where you don't suffer go to waste na lie. If he wants to be the governor of Delta State, we go campaign for him. He must occupy that governor seat for 8 years. Nothing will stop him. So if you say a governor where you want to be, the pain on a pain on where. You don't have sense. People want to grab land. They want to take Ukwane land. Anioma state is a goal. It's unstoppable. Nobody can stop Anioma state from becoming a reality. May Chukwu bless each and every Ukwane, Ika, Aniocha, Ndokwa, and Oshimiri. People that are supporting Senator Ned for us to actualize Anioma state and zone it to the southeast. May Chukwu bless the Igbo unification movement. May Chukwu bless the southeast. May Chukwu bless each and everyone that is supporting Anioma state to be created and actualized. Igbo Bofu. And we must never allow this set of senseless people from Anioma land to divide us. Anioma state is a goal. May Chukwu bless Senator Ned. We are unstoppable. Ishiagware.